Hey guys, my name is Mario. I hope you're all doing well. Say something beautiful.
Abracadabra.
Today, I would like to show you a behind-the-scenes video of what we did for the Candi Beach Resort and Spa. First things first, we're going to be doing the room tour, or as you can see here, it's a massive villa tour, and then after that, a tour of the facility of the hotel. And with no further ado, let's get started. Please, thank you. I'm going to show the villa. Oh, it's so hot. How do you walk on this?
Yeah, I know.
All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to walk into the door, and when I say look back, you're going to look back and then tell the people to come with you, and then I'm going to show a bit of the villa and then transition into the box. Okay. All right, super easy. Okay. All right, 3, 2, 1, action. All right, first look and then wave. Okay, look into the phone if you can, yeah? I think you looked at my shoulder or something.
I know, I was not looking anywhere.
When you look into the phone, try not change the speed. You know what I mean? Just a little bit.
Slower?
But, no, just exactly the same.
But did I go slower?
Yeah, you did, a little bit. Okay. All right. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, look into the camera. I think we got it. Say something beautiful.
Abracadabra.
And then we have here Arlette, our model. It is time for you to say something beautiful too.
Selamat makan.
Thankfully, Arlette had 4 coffees, so it's good. There's a bit too much noise, which means I'm going to change the camera angle, camera size, but we have the shot. We'll do one more time, yeah? Okay. I'm going to change the camera to 0.5 to ×1 because there was too much noise in the shot. 0.5 on the 11 Pro Max is still bad. I hope the iPhone 13 does better. And go.
Pro tips.
I think we got it. Let me just check real quick. I'm going to come out of the wall like this. Then you're here. And then I show a bit of the room and then transition here. I'm super happy. I just want one more in case.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. We're in the bathroom now where we're going to do the third shot. I want to show the bathtub. I want to show a lot of this bathroom, but it's very difficult to show it because it's super narrow. But we're going to implement a bathing shot with hopefully flowers and bubbles. And we also had a shot where she was looking into the mirror. Lighting was really good because it came from top to bottom. Ya nggak? Kan bagus kan? Cahayanya bagus sekali.
Ya, dari atas ya.
Yeah. So what's going to happen here is there will be an action where you're going to be looking into the mirror, but I don't know exactly what you should do. Maybe look at your hair.
Just like...
Yeah, look at your hair, make your hair pretty, and then perfect. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I think that was pretty good. Okay, that was good. I need to slow down a bit more. And what needs to happen is you walk like this. So if you could like relax a bit more. Yeah? That's good. You can walk like that if you want. Yeah, that's good actually. Taking a seat. See, this is the things which happen, like we think of a shot and then this shot is not that good, and then there are other props here which make it look better, and I think this looks really good. So we're gonna try this now. So I think the best thing to do would be that you sit down and then you look at yourself in the mirror. All right? You look at yourself in the mirror and then it's perfect. Yep, it's good. I think we got it. We have shot number 4 now. What's happening now in shot number 4?
I don't know, but you should find the best one, whatever.
It's gonna be here in the bathtub.
Yeah.
So we have the bathtub scene now where we're having a bit of troubles finding bubble to create bubble, but we have Trisna's team here which is helping us create some bubbles, and I'm going to show you some behind the scenes of that, and then after that we're going to move on to the next scene, which is behind the TV.
Yep.
Right?
Yep. Good luck.
Thank you.
perfect. It's the perfect shot. So we had this idea where she would be in the bathtub, and then we would green screen out of the TV, and that would have looked amazing. But the thing is, we didn't come prepared, and that is why now we decided to use the phone as a green screen and watch SpongeBob while she then later moves to the pool. Please, thank you. Okay, we're getting to the final shot, and Adi, Adi will he's gonna show us how it's done.
Where's my bikini?
So Adi is gonna jump down, super elegant, jump down, drop the bikini, bathrobe, and then walk into the pool. And I'm gonna be moving behind him, show a bit of his back, and then that beautiful view. Okay. So, 3, 2, 1, action! We're at the rooftop. I don't know if you can hear me, it's super windy, but the view is insane. The weather is insane, and the first few shots we've made have been insane. I'm gonna explain Arlette the shot, where she'll be moving from the bed and then walking towards the door. And before we start, could you please zoom in into her mosquito bite? Let's get started. We got the shot in the first shot, the first take. The hardest shot, which I thought would be one which would take the longest, we got in one take because Arlette did amazing. Arlette is going to say something beautiful now.
It's a wrap.
For the first shot, please say what you feel and what you think.
I'm so happy and grateful. Happy?
What do you think of the view?
Oh, it's amazing. Best view ever.
This is going to be such a good video, right?
Yeah.
All right.
I mean, who is this guy?
Adi.
We don't know him.
I cleaned the room.
This is going to be an amazing video, and I'm grateful that I could show this to you because you're only going to see a few seconds of it, but actually it takes the whole day and a lot of creative process, a lot of people, a model. So I'm grateful you can see this too. Let's continue. She's ready to get a massage.
So lovely.
For a few seconds only, unfortunately.
Better a few seconds than no.
Then yes. And I don't know if you've recorded this yet, but Hannah is making a heart.
This is only for art. Beautiful art, yeah?
That's not symmetrical over there.
But sometimes art is not symmetric. The meaning of...
The meaning.
Yes.
It's about the meaning. Okay.
Yes.
So let's do the meaning now. On our way to the Bukit, where we are gonna have another shot. They say it's a beautiful view of the rice paddies, the ocean, and behind us there would have more hills. And they have a picnic prepared for us. And this is gonna be pretty fun. I hope it's not all too hot. We're here on top of the Bukit. We got Arlette here. Please come out. Oh my god.
Hey guys.
That was super elegant from her. Adi's inside the car. We're gonna leave him there. This is the place where we're gonna shoot. The location over there looks beautiful. And then we're gonna try and get as much as the landscape and the ocean as possible. And then that's that. Let's try it out. So what's gonna happen is you are gonna be holding the phone exactly here. and then I'm gonna come out of it, and then I say spin. You put it on the table like you did the last time, but like this. I mean, yeah, take it with your hand, with your left hand, and you hold it behind the phone. You hold your hand behind the phone. Yes, and then you just spin it. You hold it. You really hold it, and then you do this, like on this angle. You see that? You see the angle? Like this. Let me show you. You see this?
Yeah.
I want you to put it like this, so it's symmetrical. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Perfect. And then if it feels too weird, just make sure you can just drop it, and then that's it. That's it. Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Wih, makasih ya. Oh, udah siap di situ ya? Okay. Yeah, that's it. This has to be the shot. I think I'm gonna do slow-mo. I want slow-mo so I can have enough time for a green screen transition. The plan is to have the final shot here, where I'm gonna come out of Arlette's back, show what the chef is cooking, which is the fish he caught, to keep the story going, and then turn around to Arlette, and she will smile or say goodbye or point upwards. I don't know yet, but that's how the video is gonna end. Hopefully we can get all that done in the next few minutes, because the weather is super crap and it's super windy, and let's hope for the best. Please, thank you. Okay, 3, 2, 1, action. Ya, yuk jalan. Perfect. Yes. No, you have to look in the camera. You look in the food and you look at her and you smile at her.
Okay. So wait, different.
Absolutely different. Just you receive the food, you look at her, smile, and say thank you.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, action. Yes. Perfect. Oh, perfect. Ini sih nggak ada bat-bat, ini udah pas kali nih.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Jalannya udah pas, jalannya cepat, dapat makanan. It's a wrap. Terima kasih banyak. Pas kali.
Hey guys, it's a wrap. The weather cleared up and actually it went really well.
Yes, it did.
Really fast, and honestly the fish is amazing. Bye guys.
Thank you so much for watching. That was the behind the scenes of the Candi Beach. If you enjoyed that video, let me know down below. Tell me what you want to see next. If you did enjoy the content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Please, thank you. Good morning, everybody in the house. Day 3, where we're going to be recording 2 more shots, yoga and breakfast. I edited last night and things didn't work out as well. We used a red screen and LumaFusion was not capable of taking that red screen away. So we're gonna have to reshoot a few shots. There was this one shot where they handed over the fish and then I used a red screen there. That shot is not usable, so lesson learned, never use a red screen, only use a blue or green screen on LumaFusion. Other than that, we need to find some other shots to show the hotel a little bit. 6 a.m. in the morning. We're going to be doing the yoga shot now, and then afterwards have breakfast. Adi looking fresh. We want to use the towel as the green screen. That didn't work because the towel had too many different textures, too many different colors. So now we're going to use Hannah's iPad to use as a green screen, and use a very, very light green where you can't actually see any other greens anywhere else in the screen. But the shot itself is going to be amazing, and I think it's going to work beautifully. Let's try it out. That was probably one of the hardest shots. I haven't checked it in LumaFusion yet. I haven't edited it yet. I think it's going to work. Otherwise, we're going to record something else, and it's time to zoom into Hannah's face. Please, thank you. And then now Arlette, because she forgot to wear clothes. We're in front of the hotel. We want to do this swing shot, which Hannah proposed, looked really good. But the thing is, we need to mirror the shot. so that it looks so that it works with the transition. And then the massage shot we also need to mirror, but I think this could actually look amazing. And please zoom into Henna Changreta, Thomas Shelby. And then please show our model how she is enjoying life. Say something beautiful.
It's a good day to be a good day.
So this is the place where we're going to shoot the second shot, where Arlette will be on the swing and we can see the hotel architecture in the background looking beautiful. And it's going to be a very simple shot, a dynamic one, a bit of slow motion in it, and then we move on into the next scene. I can't wait to show you, but let's get this shot done. Gini ya? Oh, jangan gini ya? Okay.
Hey guys, thank you for watching so far. We had like a great couple of days. We could have had like one day extra because it was like a little tight, but we did good.
We did good. We did all the reshoots.
Yeah.
Arlette did a bit of yoga. And we also got this really nice swing shot today. That was a last minute addition. And Adi's super sad. Please show Adi. Thank you so much for watching the behind the scenes of the Candi Beach Hotel. Let me know what you would like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.
And don't forget to
like and subscribe if you enjoy my content.
bye guys.
And follow Arlette. Thank you.
Follow me. No.